Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Little Coders. In our last lesson we learned Python arithmetic operators, and today we'll be learning Python assignment operators. So without wasting any more time, let's start coding. So to start seeing how Python assignment operators works, let's open a file or create a file and then write our codes. So what we'll be doing, new file and say assignment operators dot py. Okay, so first assignment operator we'll be learning is equal to. Okay, so this is a comment we learned, and this is how we means in a previous chapter we have already learned, right, how to add comments. So I'm just adding all the comments so we can understand what we are learning. So first thing we are learning is this equal to operator. So how to test it, right? Test it, say x equal to 10. So this is how we assign a number to a variable with equal to operator. Now if we print x, it will print the value of x. Assignment operator, here you see 10. So this one is equal to operator. Next we will be learning this one. So instead of writing equal to, we can do plus equal to. This is nothing but same as say x plus equal to, this is nothing but x plus say any number, right? Say, okay, let me do like this, x plus equal to 3, which is equivalent to x equal to x plus 3. Okay, hope this is now clear to you. Okay, so let's write it down in programming. X equal to 10 we had, 10 we had, and then we'll be writing x plus equal to 5, x plus equal to 5, and we'll be printing x. So initial value was 10, then we added x plus equal to 5, which is basically nothing but x is equal to x plus 5. So this is basically this symbol we are learning here, x plus equal to, which is nothing but x is equal to x plus 5. So this x now became 15. Let's run it and see. So this became 15. So we learn this particular assignment operator here. Next thing is similar to this, we'll be learning about the minus one. So minus equal to x minus 3, and that means x minus 3. So this is nothing but minus equal to is x minus equal to 3, that means x is equal to x minus 3. Okay, so just change it to minus, and guess what it will become? It will become x is equal to 10, and after this one it became 10 equal to, not 10 but x equal to 10 minus 5, which became 5. So now if we run it, we'll see 5. Okay, so this is that operator. Next we'll be learning similar to plus and minus, multiplication. Multiply equal to will be same as x multiply equal to say 3, which will become x equal to x multiply 3. Okay, so x multiply 5. So here it says like x multiply equal to 5. That means x is equal to 10, and then it will get multiply with x equal to 10 into 5, which will become 50. So let's see, this is 50. Now similar to multiplication, next one is division. So division is equal to same like x division equal to 3. X division is equal to 3, which is nothing but similar to x is equal to x division 3. So it will be 10, x is equal to 10, and then x is equal to x division, means x division is equal to 5, means x is equal to 10 division 5, which will become 2. So this is 2. Now after the division, what we will be learning? We will be learning modulus. So let's do this one. Modulus equal to, which is nothing but x modulus equal to 3, which is x is equal to x modulus 3. So here if we write that, it will become x is equal to 10 modulus 5, and then the value will become 0, because there is nothing remaining after we divide a 10 with 5. So the answer is 0. So this is how we can write modulus assignment. Next, what we will be doing is floor division. So floor division, let's do that. Floor division will become like this. Floor division, so x floor division equal to 3. So here it will be x floor division equal to 5. That will be 10 floor division 5. X is equal to 10 floor division 5, which is 2. So this was floor division. Then next will be and then the last one, that will be exponentiation. So let's say exponentiation. So 10, this is nothing but 10 exponentiation 5. So 10 exponentiation 5 will be 10 multiplied with 10 5 times. So that will become 100,000. For now, that is it. We'll be seeing you in our next class. Until then, goodbye and stay safe.